Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You will begin immediately by checking two things: color OS version and whether developer options are enabled. Once done, open Settings and go to About Phone to note the build number. Make sure developer options are on by tapping build number 7 times. Next, install a simple activity launcher or file manager from the Play Store if you don't already have one, because you'll need it to access hidden system activities. Now, keep the phone unlocked and follow the steps to reach the recording overlay settings. Using the activity launcher, search for entries labeled Screen Recorder, Recording Overlay, or System UI. Tap the activity to open the internal settings screen. This exposes the toggle that controls the red dot overlay. If you used a file manager, navigate to Settings App Data, find COM, Coloros, Screen Recorder or similar, and open the activities list. Once visible, change the overlay setting to off or revoke the overlay permission for the recorder. This disables the floating dot without uninstalling the recorder. After toggling the overlay off, reboot the phone to ensure the change applies across processes. If the dot still appears, go to Settings App Screen Recorder, then clear cache and clear data. This resets any stuck flags. If that fails, boot into safe mode to check for third-party overlay apps causing the icon. If the dot disappears in safe mode, uninstall recent overlay or utility apps. Finally, recheck permissions and restart the recorder once everything is confirmed off.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.